Happy International Pineapple Day. To celebrate, we're going to try a pineapple mayo sandwich that some people claim to love. So let's try it before you deny it.
If you notice our little pineapple friend, he is our KT mascot Dilly. He is available exclusively online at shop.ktsuperstores.com, so hit the link below to pick one up today. And, are you guys ready? Let's go!
Not really, but...
I think this might be a deny, but I'll try it.
I'm not gonna like this.
It has a weird texture already when you're holding it, by the way.
It's very juicy.
It's juicy.
1, 2, 3, go. I don't hate it.
I feel like I need another bite.
It's actually not bad.
I think choice of bread is also key in this. The milk bread, sweet bread, it's complements it better than I think other bread would maybe. It's like a fruit sandwich with cheese and mayonnaise. Someone's loving this
It's
one.
not
yeah,
bad.
Yeah, you're just going to town.
I thought it was gonna be bad, but it's not bad.
Okay, so Erin is still eating, so I think that's like a... Yeah? What about you, Keith? Do you try it or deny it? I am a deny too. Let us
It's
know.
okay.
Let us know what you guys think. Maybe you might like it better than us. Until next time.